everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So before you guys watch the actual video, I just wanted to let you guys know that before COVID and lockdown, I did work at a Sephora. So some of the products were actually given to me, but most of them I did purchase myself. It is an ongoing collection. I probably started like in high school, so it is a lot. I'm not trying to brag or anything. I'm just very passionate about it and I really want to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey everyone, it's Nicole. So I am back home and we're gonna do a little like makeup collection or like showing you guys my vanity. Excuse my nails, by the way. I have not had the chance to get them done, so you know. So it's gonna be a little more vlog style today. I'm gonna show you guys the process of cleaning, decluttering, and everything. So yeah, if I look a little rough right now, sorry. Like I've been doing some stuff. So the way I usually have these drawers set up is that I'll have probably the first 3 for skincare, and then the rest will be makeup and then palettes at the bottom and then just some extra things over there. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So as you can see, everything is kind of just scattered around, not really in a specific order. So I'm gonna take everything out, I'll reorganize it, and then I'll kind of show you guys. Okay, so the first drawer that I have is just basically cleansers, makeup removers and stuff. So I've already put that in this box right over here and put out the things I don't need. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize it there, and then I'll show you guys after. And then I think I'm gonna do like serums, toners and stuff, and we'll just see. And the mask in the bottom, like for after moisturizers. So yep. So this is what's in front of me right now. I just took a bunch of makeup out of the drawers. I need to separate this because for instance, this right here, this is not even my shade, so I don't use this, so I'll just put that in one pile. And then I have stuff like this that I haven't even opened or touched, so I will put stuff like that in one pile. So let me just sort this out, and then I'll do that for each one of them, and then I'll go ahead and organize. So here I am, just getting a little snack. I got hungry. I'm also making my sister some cereal. She wanted some Cocoa Puffs. So just putting some milk in here. Do you guys ever just get hungry while cleaning? Because me. I spilled the soy sauce everywhere, but so you guys, I left my tripod at my boyfriend's house, and you guys are on a candle, but oh, this is so good. So here I am going back to work. I actually just separated out some samples that were just laying everywhere, so that's what I'm doing. With like baking and obviously powders that I have so much. I have Vanity, I have Anastasia at the bottom, Bare Minerals, Laura Mercier. I have the regular one, that is my holy grail, and I have the glowing one. Huda Beauty, Benefit, Urban Decay, and Kat Von D. So, yep. So on top of my drawer, I just have this little cute acrylic stand. I keep all my little cute pink items on top. For instance, the Wet n Wild Hello Kitty collab. I have a picture with my dad, and then the back, just some incense. So for this first drawer, I decided to put all my cleansers and makeup removers. So this is just a little bit of a sneak peek. I have a lot of brands from Sephora. I have Tatcha, Sunday Riley in here, Dermalogica, Shiseido, Youth to the People. In the back I have the Green Clean Makeup Remover, Drunk Elephant. I also have some Oreos that you could just clean your face with right over here. That's the first drawer. So here I have the second drawer. I have a lot of serums in here. I have a mix of like drugstore and more of like high end. So I have Lord Jones, Elf, a lot of like CBD stuff, argan oil, and then I have, of course, just some makeup removers as well here, more of like the liquid types. And then I have these mini sample ones that are so cute. I have some Drunk Elephant, Murad, I believe I have Clinique down here, and then this one is Dr. Dennis, and then oh, Amore Pacific, super good, love the brand. And then earlier I showed you my sister just put a lot of like tube stuff in there. On this side I put more of like the bigger size stuff that I have. So I have a lot of Drunk Elephant, this Drunk Elephant as well, Sephora Collection, La Mer, Milk. I actually haven't tried this, but I really want to. And look at the packaging. I live for packaging, guys. I have some Glam Glow Tarte in the back, and then look at this. I don't remember where I got this from. Oh, it's actually from Glam Glow, but it's a little like face mask brush that you can use. So I still have a brand new one that I've kept to the side, but that's what's in here. I really like this drawer. And the last drawer is going to be, or the last drawer for skincare is this over here. I have Summer Friday mask, stuff from Philosophy. I have, of course, Sephora Collections, Clear Skin Days. I'm not too sure if they discontinued that line or not, but that's what we have. Tons of other like small little goodies here. La Mer, Lancome, Amore Pacific. And then these are like the packet samples that I received and got. So I have a bunch in there that I still have to try. And you guys, I actually have a bunch more samples. I'll show you guys later. And then, of course, some eye cream. And then the rest is gonna be makeup. So in this drawer, I like to keep all my foundations. I have a mix of drugstore and also high-end makeup. I have all the NARS foundation sticks on here. I don't think they make these anymore, but I have them here. And then I have Laura Mercier, Dior, Too Faced, Elf, Wet n Wild. The one I'm currently using is the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. And then I have stuff that I haven't even tried yet, so I have them there. I have Tarte in the back and Elf primer, so I have a mix of primer and foundations in this one. Okay, in this drawer right here, I like to keep a lot of my powders. Like earlier I showed you guys, I have a lot of powders. I have mostly like face stuff here. I have contour, blush, highlighter, so I have everything on this side. This one is Elf Jelly Highlighter. I don't like this one though, so I might have to toss that one. I like, of course, the Fenty highlighters are a must. We have NARS. I believe this is like a blush. It's kind of like a blush but with some sparkles in it. Have Tarte, Morphe. Oh, in the bottom here I have a few like eye stuff that I can easily just grab. So I have some from like Charlotte Tilbury, Laura Mercier, Sephora Collection, Anastasia. I even have this like Lily Lash Glue. I'm like, oh my god, running out of breath just mentioning everything. And then I have I believe, can't move right now, but I have makeup wipes in the back over there, just like extra makeup wipes. Here is the next drawer. This one is more of like a lip drawer. This one couldn't fit on top. This one is a bronzer from Too Faced. Look how big it is. So cute. It's actually a really pretty one. Some cotton. I have a Pixie mist. I also have the Versali one. Haven't tried that yet, but I will try that soon. I have a lot of lip products. Just a brush. This one is my favorite one. I actually got my name, oops, I don't know if I can focus, but I had my name engraved in it, just as Nicole on it, and it's so cute. So I love that. I don't know why this is here, but that's just a sample lotion. I have Dose of Colors, I have ColourPop, I feel like I have every makeup brand, but it has some like lip liners. I won't go into too detail, but I'm just showing you guys like what I basically have in these. In this one right over here, I put all kind of like the new stuff that I haven't really tried out yet. So I have like this Tarte mascara, some of these sample ones from the haul that I had. I got these lashes from Marshalls for $10, and they're all these because I need some natural ones sometimes. So I have that. I have some dramatic lashes, regular lashes, brow products. I have some pins from work over there. And then I have a lot of mascaras that I have not used yet. If you guys are wondering what these are, they're hair products. I have IGK, Amika, I have Bumble and Bumble, I have Living Proof. What else do I have here? Moroccan oil. And just like, just a lot of more stuff like Briogeo. So when I got this hair, or the reason why I have so many mini hair samples is that I bought this kit from Sephora during Christmas, and it had a lot of samples for like 20 bucks, and it came with like a lot, so I had to. I actually bought some as gifts and I never gave them because I don't know, I use most of these, so I had to keep them. Okay, and the next one is gonna be my palettes. All right, so this drawer is a bunch of palettes. I guess I can kind of go over them. I have the Adeline Morin palette from Tarte. Guys, this was my favorite when it came out. Oops. Especially this like shade called Mama Morin. I really used that, but it's such a good palette. It has a blush, highlighter. So good. I have the Jackie Aina palette, the Beauty, the Physicians Formula butter collection with Whaley. If you guys watched her, oh my god, that she is my childhood basically. And I have more stuff. I even have like the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Bretman Morphe, more Anastasia, Tarte. I have stuff from Juvia's. Is it Juvia's Palace or Juvia's Place? But I have some here. I have Kylie, another Kylie, Peach. I have some more in there, but I don't really want to go in too deep. But I have a lot of Morphe palettes. Natasha Denona. This one's actually so pretty, guys. I'll show you guys. This one is a Sunrise palette. It's gorgeous. I don't know what happened there. Kind of messed it up, but it's so pretty. Okay, let me see if I can. Last drawer. This one is just like miscellaneous stuff. I have like red envelopes in there. Makeup bags, stuff like that. Some like kits. I got them from work as well. Just larger hair products that couldn't fit. Oops. So that is basically what's in this drawer. Okay, so we have this section right over here. So it doesn't have too much. I just have some shot glasses right over there. This photo frame that I still need to put a picture in. I'll put my hair ties in that mug, and I like the rose gold color, so I put my Patrick highlighting mist right over there, and then the Anastasia 2 palette Volt Laneige. This is a little cute one, and then my rolling my face roller, my jade roller, I guess. And then I do have my lippies right on the second drawer. So this one I just put out here for display because I really like pinks, nudes, stuff like that. And then a quick lash glue in case I need to put on some lashes. I want something I can grab right away. And then down here I just have this Kylie package from, I forgot which collection. But yeah, I have this one here. It's really pretty. So let me show you guys something real quick. I have this Anastasia palette. It is so cute. And inside, there's 2 palettes. We have the Modern Renaissance. And we also have the Soft Glam palette. So cute. They're just palettes I could easily pull out that I have up here. So I like to keep that right there, and the packaging is everything. So this is my mirror from Impressions of Vanity, and I actually got it from TJ Maxx for like $40, so it was such a good deal. So yeah, this is basically my setup right here. Everything is mostly from IKEA, but if you guys have any questions, just let me know.